Hey guys, this is your pal, the fabulous four-fingered freak. Or should I say, the fabulous four-fingered belch king. Either or, it's crazy. Just like the weather is crazy here. And I kid you not, guys, we are April 4th, and this ain't no April Fools. Check it out. Today we got some sleet, some freezing rain, and I literally have about a quarter of an inch of frozen rain on my car window. I'm gonna open my car window. You guys are gonna freak out. Check this out, guys. Check it out. All right, so you guys seeing this? Right? Check it out. The window opens. I still have ice, solid ice, right there. I'm gonna punch it out because it's gonna be cool and it's gonna be all right. Let's punch it out. That's fucking nuts. So, guys, stay safe. And please, use caution if you have some sleet or freezing rain in your area. This is your pal, the fabulous four-fingered belchkin, saying, Yeah.